We know firefighters risk their lives to save others during fires, but something they're not doing after those flames are out could be putting them in danger.
And as the I-Team's Jermont Terry explains, it's a health hazard many people may not realize exists. Jermont.
Carol, the uniforms designed to keep firefighters safe when they run into a fire can easily become dangerous if not cleaned properly.
Scott Schumacher worked the front lines for 19 years as a lieutenant with the Kenosha Fire Department.
He loved being a firefighter.
Whenever a call came in, Schumacher, known by friends as Shu, was there.
A go-to professional as well as a go-to friend.
Matthew Herter worked alongside Shu, his best friend.
Excellent family man.
Shu loved his family. He shared a similar love for his firefighting career. But this year, the 41-year-old lost a 10-year fight against metastatic melanoma cancer. It's a skin cancer that spreads throughout the body.
He never gave up. His body gave up on him.
Schumacher's death was considered work-related, and he's not alone. According to the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, firefighters have a significantly higher risk for multiple cancers. This federal agency oversees research on work-related illnesses. It found, in addition to inhaling carcinogens, those toxins stay on firefighters' uniforms long after they leave a scene. At the University of Illinois, researchers are running a unique study. They are sending firefighters into stage fires to determine the results of carcinogenic exposure to the skin. It's a way to protect firefighters and help manufacturers develop safer uniforms.
It was literally the first time it's ever been done in the world.
Herter became a test subject in the Illinois study. It was his way to honor Shu and possibly save a life.
All of the review boards that they were going to believed that it was too dangerous to place us in the environment that we were going to be tested in. And this is what we do every day.
We needed to do more to prevent cancer.
South Milwaukee Fire Chief Joe Knitter worked to enact the cultural changes and new safety practices. The first step was to make sure the uniforms get washed immediately when crews return to the station.
The day of the seasoned, salty, dirty, gruff-looking firefighter is a thing of the past. And we know the associated risks and hazards with that now.
The 24 firefighters in South Milwaukee have access to this industrial washer to clean the gear. South Milwaukee even purchased industrial dryers.
For our station, one station, it was pretty easy to do that.
But at the 36 firehouses across Milwaukee, that fix is not so easy. Kat Zanicki with the local 215 Firefighters Auxiliary is on a mission.
So we're trying to put washers and dryers in every firehouse.
The efforts are not for industrial washers, but for these basic washer and dryer units. This way, firefighters can quickly wash their undergarments and hoods worn around their necks, items that all get exposed to the cancer-causing chemicals. In Milwaukee, there are 36 active fire stations. Only 3 are equipped with those basic washers. In order to wash full gear, Milwaukee firefighters must carry the dirty, chemical-laced gear to one of just 4 locations equipped with the industrial dryers to get the gear clean.
We aren't safe. We can't be safe. It's not a safe career.
The push to keep our first responders healthy is as real as the dangers they face daily.
Ultimately, if we save one person, any efforts we put forth are successful.
Wisconsin is one of 36 states with the presumptive disability law. Under this law, firefighters who develop cancer can file for disability faster and have the state cover medical bills. So we are at least progressive in that manner.
That's unbelievable. And you know, you think about it, it's a simple solution. So we should all be able to help. What can we do to help, Jermont?
Here in Milwaukee, Carol, the solution is very simple. They need money. The auxiliary needs to raise around $36,000. We have links about the studies, additional interviews, and ways that you can donate. Just go to our website at tmj4.com.
I think your story is going to help them get that. Thank you, Jermont.